Hello and welcome to Tech Tuesday. OnePlus 8 has been in the market for quite some time, but we're going to start with the unboxing of this model today. As you can see here, the OnePlus 8 comes in this huge red box. It has a sizable 8 on the front and you'll find the product name on its side, as well as the logo down below. For a phone, the box is quite heavy to handle. You'll find the details of this product on the back of this box. OnePlus 8 comes in 3 colors, Interstellar Glow, Onyx Black and Glacial Green. Today, we are going to review the Interstellar Glow, which is supposed to be the best color of the 3. While we absolutely love the shade, it is quite evident that the back cover of the phone is super reflective, making it prone to fingerprints. You might not like to use the phone without a cover if you're anywhere as paranoid about fingerprints as we are. We're going to keep that aside and go ahead. Inside the box, you're going to find yourself a bumper cover with the words "Never Settle" embossed onto the side. Let's put it up shortly to see what it looks like. There's also another box in here where you will find some paperwork. There's a red cable club card which looks exclusive. There's going to be a sheet of specifications and also there are stickers in here, which is pretty cool. Apart from these, you have your quick start guide, safety information and an invite letter from the CEO. Be careful while handling these papers as you'll find your SIM ejector tool within these documents. Let us leave all of this aside for now. Here is your iconic C-type red cable which comes with a warp charger for the phone. OnePlus 8 has a 30-watt charger. We will put on the bumper cover for now. Let us put on the bumper cover and switch on the phone. You do not get earphones with your OnePlus 8. In fact, you will also have to use your C-type earphones for this phone, so do keep that in mind. You're greeted with a welcome screen and you might have to set it up from here, so we'll leave it aside and go ahead with the specifications. You have a 6.5-inch screen with the front camera on your top left, which is pretty neat. You also have your volume buttons on the right along with a notification slider. On the bottom of your OnePlus 8 you have a C-type jack. We have chosen to use the fingerprint unlock for this phone. Let us quickly go over the specifications for this phone. You have an 865 Snapdragon processor. This phone in particular has a 12GB RAM and 256GB ROM. You also have a triple camera feature that comes at the back. You will have 48, 16, 2 megapixels respectively. You have a 6.55 AMOLED display. OnePlus 8 has an ingress protection of 68, which means it is waterproof up to water that is 1 meter deep. OnePlus 8 runs on the Oxygen OS 10, which is perhaps the cleanest Android version so far. We particularly love the camera settings for this phone, which allows you to click vivid, clear pictures with balanced exposure and excellent details. You will find that it is quick to autofocus and adjust in the day as well as nighttime photography. We did notice the pictures to have a higher saturation level than normal photos, however we are still happy with the detailing that this camera gives us. OnePlus 8 has a 4300 mAh battery that supports 30-watt fast charging. The battery performance depends on different users and on using it for a week, we could safely say that the phone can last more than a day without charge. However, on using the hotspot, we found the battery to be draining faster than it should, along with an overheating problem. OnePlus 8 is priced steeply at Rs 49,999, making it an expensive buy. However, if you compare it with the OnePlus 8 Pro and OnePlus Nord, the price is definitely not attractive. Realme X50 Pro and the iQOO3 are some of the alternatives that you can opt for instead of the OnePlus 8. However, if loyalty is your game card, we strongly suggest going with the OnePlus 8.